So student, check this question for MCQs. The correct order of increasing reactivity of the following compound towards nucleophilic substitution. Okay. Now, what is the answer here? See, towards the nucleophilic substitution. First, it's one compound with halogen. Here, X is halogen, remember. Two, NO2 group and NO2 group position ortho and para. And here, NO2 position in what? Para. And here, all ortho, para, and again ortho. Now, in this case, which is most reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution is this. Which one? Number 4. Now, why? Because this nitro group which are attached to the carbon in the benzene ring are electron withdrawing. They are removing the electron towards themselves. So, they take the electron towards themselves. As a result, carbon-halogen bond become weak here. And therefore, that carbon-halogen bond can be easily broken. And therefore, nucleophilic substitution here is fastest. Okay. Suppose say number of nitro group when they are more, the reactivity is what? Faster. So here there are 2 nitro group and here there is only 1 nitro group. Okay. Now here 2 nitro group will be also more reactive, but compared to the 4th one, this is less reactive. And here there is only 1 nitro group in para position. Therefore, this is also reactive, no doubt, compared to the first one. So, this one will be less reactive towards the nucleophilic compared to which 2. So, your answer will be what here? This is more reactive than this. This is more reactive than this. And this is more reactive than this one. This is carbon-halogen bond alone. So, remember one thing, that electron withdrawing group in aromatic or in aryl halide are found to be more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and here therefore answer for this part, which one you can just see here. 1 is less reactive than 3, 1 is less reactive than 3, and 3 is less reactive than 2, and 2 is less reactive than 4. So your answer for this is what? C. So your correct answer here is C. I hope you understood. Remember, nitro group is electron withdrawing. Okay. And one more thing. Suppose say you are given only nitro group in para and nitro group in what? Ortho. 2 compound given. Then in that case, which one will be more reactive? I'll give that again for the next video.